Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Shadat Hussain, your English teacher. Everybody welcome to my online class, and this class is organized by Waruk Rahmani High School, Waruk, Shahrasti, Chatpur. Everybody, let's start a new habit and our new lifestyle. Wear mask and wash your hands with any kinds of soap at least 10 times daily. Take green tea or color tea and avoid milk tea because we are passing the days in epidemic time. That means we are passing our days in COVID-19. Dear students, you are staying at home because you cannot come to your school campus and you cannot take part in classes. So, you should take part in our online class. I also hope you will give up your bad company, and in this time you will not associate with any bad friends. You should regulate in your studies. Dear students, I am going to take a class for 9 and 10, and this is our English class. This is our English first paper class. Dear students, you can see I have written some words and this is keywords. I have taken these words from Unit 5, Lesson 4. So our topic's name is putting our fish in hot water. Dear students, I am going to explain the keywords with its meaning, similar word and Bengali word. At first, number 1, fish population. That means every kinds of fish and Bengali meaning Matshakul. Number 2, global. That means worldwide and its Bengali meaning Bishwabapi. Number 3, warming. That means becoming hot and its Bengali meaning Uchchotara hawa. Number 4, increasing, rising. That means briddhi. Number 5, temperature. That means heat. That means heat. Heat or degree and its Bengali meaning Taapmatra. Number 6, available, easy. That means easy to find or attain and its Bengali meaning Sahajlabhya. Number 7, offsprings. That means the young of an animal and its Bengali meaning Bacha Kacha, Shantan Shantati, Cheleme, Choto Cheleme. And number 8, extinct. That means vanished and its Bengali meaning Lupto. Number 9, emission, and that means release and its Bengali meaning Nirgatakoron. Dear students, for your better understanding, I am going to read the text. Dear students, take your books and open page at 65. You also can take your pencil and you mark the keywords, and I will explain the words meaning. Fish population. Let's start. Fish population is in serious danger from global warming. Fish population, that means Matshukul is in serious danger from global warming. Climate change is increasing the water temperature in rivers, lakes and seas. Here the narrator explains fish population is in serious danger. We know that fish lives in common water or normal water, but because of our changing climate, our water is becoming hotter or warm, so it is dangerous for fish population. Climate change is increasing in water temperature in rivers, lakes and seas. This means there is less food and oxygen available for fish. We know that every kind of animal for living needs food, but because of climate change in the water, foods are lack for fish. It also means the fish may not grow fully. In lack of water, lack of vitamins, lack of common waters or normal waters, the fish cannot grow in perfectly and may have fewer offsprings, and in future we will not get enough fish. Some fishes will become extinct if temperatures rise even by 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. Here the line explains if the temperature of waters increase 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, we will not some kinds of fish and we will lose some kinds of fish. Climate change increase the pressure on fish population. We know it. Climate change increases the pressure not only on fish but also human race. Fishes are one of the world's most valuable biological assets. Like man or other animals, fish are also biological asset. 40% of people in the world eat fish as their main source of protein. We know fish contains protein. We get our protein from fish. If we fail to reduce greenhouse gas emission, we will increase the pressure on fish. Dear students, if we fail to increase the greenhouse effect on atmosphere, we have to lost some kinds of fish. As a result, people who depend on fish will suffer from hunger and poverty. We know the fisherman or fisherman depends, and many men depends on fish. They catch fish and they carry out their lives. But who depends on fish will suffer from hunger and poverty. The students, our statements. Next step, our statements, true or false. Read the text. We have finished our text. Statements number 1, global warming will kill the fishes within 10 years. It is false. And its curtains are global warming will decrease the fish population drastically in course of time. Number 2, some fishes cannot reduce if the water is too warm. True. Number 3, 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature will make some species extinct. It is also true. Number 4, fishes are available economic investments. It is also true. Number 5, nearly 40 of people depend on fish and their basic food needs. It's false. It's correct answer. Nearly 40% of people depend on fish for their basic food and needs. Number 6, people will suffer a lot if greater pressure is put on fish. It is also true. Dear students, we have finished our text and true false. Your homework: memorize write ten sentence write 10 sentences on climate change. I hope you will do your homework. Dear students, I am going to end my class. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.